We're here at the APF Exhibition. It's the UK's largest forestry trade show. There are 23,000 visitors, 320 exhibitors, so we're here to do some networking, meet some people, and find out more about all the world-class competitions going on around the site. We'll show you some footage of everything that's going on here to show how diverse the forestry industry is. One of the events taking place at the APF is the British Open Fencing Competition. This is where teams of 2 have 4 hours to erect 60 metres of stock fencing. There are 13 teams competing from countries all around the world, including the US and Norway, and also teams from England, Scotland and Wales. Our fencing team are paying particularly close attention, and we're looking forward to seeing the results in a few hours' time. favourite events at the APF is the chainsaw carving competition. Competitors have 2.5 days to carve big piece of redwood, and the sculptures that result are absolutely phenomenal. It's a really prestigious competition. It's a European competition. There are 25 competitors taking part. So it's one of the best things about this is watching the sculptures evolve over the time. They have specially adapted chainsaws to do it, and they're allowed to use hand tools as well and blow torches. Going on at the APF as well. There's the UK Lumberjack Championship and also the 25-metre World Championship for pole climbing, which is a really frenetic and impressive event right at the heart of the exhibition. In addition, there's a woodland crafts area and there's horse logging, so there's a huge range of activities going on here. For more information about our projects and to get involved, head over to www.creatingtomorrowsforest.co.uk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel. For more information about our projects and to get involved, head over to www.creatingtomorrowsforest.co.uk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel.